You know, one thing about when you move from a city to a village is that in places like Miami and Florida in America, people mind their own business. Y'all know the rules over there, well maybe y'all don't. But they're the number one rule. Mind your own fucking business. But over here, it's like, if I'm fucking screaming to myself or something, then automatically my neighbors or people around gonna be like, hey, தம்பி என்ன செய்றீங்கள், என்ன நடக்குது, ஏன் நீங்க கத்துறீங்கள், தனியாக கத்து கொண்டிருக்கிறீங்க, என்னத்துக்கு என்ன பிரச்சனை? I'm like, bitch, I don't know, I'm having an episode. Mind your own business. Well, of course I don't say that. சும்மா என்னுடைய நண்பர்